Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting for the bullish scenario on the daily chart here for a quick overview, of course, we have an impulse ABC as an expanding flat for a wave 2 here and then 3, 4 and a 5 toward the upside, of course, to finish a wave 1 or a wave A. After this, we are looking at W, X, and a Y in a wave V or a wave 2, and probably, of course, in a W here. And of course, we are looking after it for an impulse currently 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, your wave 5, of course, looking like an ending diagonal here, as we can see. Of course, this is an ending diagonal, but yeah, very, very shallow wave 4, but still can be an ending diagonal. Wave 5 taking the all-time high here. And of course, finishing with it, of course, a wave 1 very nicely. And this wave 1 is looking right now for a correction, which is, of course, a W, X, and a Y in this case scenario. Where we were looking for a bearish scenario before, of course, and we were looking for 1, 2, 1, 2, probably here, sorry, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then wave 3, and then your wave 4 went very, very high, invalidation of this bearish scenario, and of course, moving towards the downside. Now, if we take a look at the 4-hour chart here, we can see, of course, on the 4-hour chart, we are looking after this low here to kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside, 5 waves in a leading diagonal probably. However, the problem right now is that the wave 5 has hit the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the wave 3 to the top of it and based on the wave 4, meaning this wave 5 is exactly equal to this wave 3. And even a little bit longer in few cents, and that is not really nice to see, because of course when the wave 5 becomes a little bit longer, it might be of course an invalidation for this leading diagonal. However, I'm not gonna invalidate it just for a few cents. It might be of course a deviation on this chart, or it can be on other chart even lower than the 1-to-1 fib level, so I cannot really take this into consideration 100%, but I have to consider, of course, the bullish and the bearish scenario both. So if we are in a bullish scenario here on the 4-hour chart, you're looking for this leading diagonal, you are looking for a wave 4. At least a minimum target is 0.38 fib level, the second target is 0.5. So preferably, of course, that you hit this blue box for a wave 2 here. And then, of course, as A, B, C, or WXY, and then moving continuously towards the upside with an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, in case of bullish. In case of a bearish scenario, you have to consider this is an A, B, and a C, or W, X, and a Y, of course, and you're looking for lower prices. Now, if we analyze the current wave here, we have a close up a little bit on it on the 4-hour chart. We cannot really see, of course, so much if this is an impulse or not. So let's move even to the 1-hour chart, and we can see here, yes, clearly we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably finish. You have an A, B, and a C as an expanding flat wave 2. However, we have a lot of choppiness here. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 invalidated here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 probably leading diagonal, okay, is possible. Wave 2, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 again, of course, invalidation, meaning a lot of overlapping here, which doesn't allow, of course, of bearish scenario, meaning there is no continuation toward the downside. This is transforming to something corrective in W, X, and a Y. And probably, of course, it might still move towards the downside, but nothing is impulsive, meaning a wave to 0.38 is very, very close to our scenario for the bullish and moving for higher prices. This is our highest possibility right now. A, B, and a C, or W, X, and a Y, and then moving for a wave 3 towards the upside, unless, of course, we break all the fib levels for a wave 2 taken from this leading diagonal. So let's watch and see what's gonna happen. That was it for TAO. Thank you for watching.